and it's in park, so that makes sense. That feels right. And then you grab onto this one, and it just freewheels. That's not supposed to be like that. This is all stripped out. It's probably because the bearings went bad and the axle's wiggling pretty bad in there. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this out. So I was able to get the Dremel in there, cut the race, and then just taking a flathead screwdriver and sort of prying inward, and it's actually breaking off in pieces. So I'm gonna be able to spin this bearing and be able to pop it out from the back. So exciting times. There we go. There's one. Oh man. Cool. So it was in fact not a one-person job. Sarah, did you help?
I did.
She's good at getting her lined up, you know. All right, so now we're just gonna tighten these bolts up. Like I said, we're gonna leave the hitch off for now. These are just the bolts that hold the axle housing to the swing arm. So that's good. All right, old Vinny, the Suzuki Vinson, is back together. Everything is the way it's supposed to be with regards to the shifter. I'm still not very satisfied with the quality of park, but let's take it for a ride and have some fun. What's up, shop dog? How you doing? Let that thing warm up and put some warm clothes on because it is a little cold outside here today. Fun little four-wheeler. Can't wait until it's warm enough where I can actually wash this thing. Uh-oh. Good times, good times. All right, we just scooped this bad Larry up for $140. We finally got some decals on here. Actually came in today. Been waiting for those things forever. New headlight went on. Just got the headlight bezel and the airbox cover. So we'll go ahead and throw those on while this thaws out. But it's too cold outside to power wash this thing, unfortunately. All right, thank you, Power Sports Nation. I've been looking for this airbox lid forever. And obviously, wrong color right now, but nothing a can of black spray paint can't fix. And nothing some electrical tape can't fix. Yeah, it's better. Professional install. All cleaned up. Now we're just gonna paint her on up. Well, that first little light coat's drying. Let's see if this thing fits. Looking good. Not too bad, not too bad. A couple more coats. No more yellow. Looks like this winch, looks like this plow is gonna actually work. The bolts line up with the plow mounts underneath. And we just need some hardware. So we're gonna jerry rig it up for tonight with some old crappy bolts and pick up some heavy duty pins in the morning. That'll do for now, and that'll probably do for now. Well, that's it. We got a plow now on there, baby. All it took was one plow mount right there. And the other one, same thing on the other side. It's got some springs on it. So if it was angled like that instead of back, it would be perfect. But not bad for $140 plow. I wish we could power wash this thing and shine up these Douglas aluminum wheels and make this thing really pop. but it sure is a hell of a lot cleaner than it was when we first got it. Picked up this package of plastic little, what do they call them? Automotive clips, little snaps, those pieces. Not too bad on the rattle can paint job. I think she's gonna need another coat though. Especially up top, looking a little dry. Oh yeah. That's a little bit better. Cool. All right, she's back together. She's done. Got that new headlight bezel on. The plow's working. Let's get it outside. Ta-da! Pretty cool looking. She's pretty ugly. Still pretty cool though. I like this quad a lot better when it makes forward motion. Vincenzo the Vinson. Not bad. Thanks for watching. Going up for sale. Time to cash in on this bad Larry. It's way overkill for what we like to do, but it certainly was a really fun project. Learned a ton.